So we are working with, this is some beauty supply hair, 3-piece multi-pack Brazilian natural hair, reinforced double width, 100% unprocessed. We know beauty supply store hair. We know how we feel about this, but for if it's affordable and you can make it work, why not? The packaging is real cute. Prime pink 10, 12, 14. But you know how the girls feel about beauty, so packed hair overall, but you can make it work. But this is real nice. And it was probably under $100. And this is the closure. This is like the type of closure that hairstylists usually refuse, but I can work with it. Period. I don't refuse anything because money is money. And hand tie lace closure, Brazilian Remy closure. You could dye perm and bleach. It's a 10-inch. And it's a T part, which means middle part only. Like, it's not a 4x4 lace. This is a 1 by whatever. What's the measurement? And it doesn't even tell you the measurement of the actual lace. So it's probably a 2x4. It's S body, 10-inch natural. And I be seeing these in the beauty supply store, y'all, and I just walk right by them. But it is a 10-inch middle part. Why are you playing? I could definitely make this work and make it real cute or whatever. But like I said, it's just going to be a middle part only. But you can definitely do something with this. It's not the worst. With some heat and some wax stick, it'll work. But I'm going to bleach. I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots on this, just to see if it can really lift. I think I have used this before, and it did lift. So we're going to see if this one does lift. So it is double wefted, which is good. Because a lot of beauty store hair give you single wefted bundles, and that's why the bundles don't be as full as y'all will like. Because it's not double wefted, meaning that a double weft is basically when a hair supplier takes 2 tracks, stitch them together to make one bundle. And as you can see, this is double wefted. Like if you wanted to, you could go ahead and split this and make more hair. But it usually could cause a lot of shedding when you do that, and it's pointless. So yeah, and it's feel kind of thin, which is good because that means when you get ready to do your flip over method, it'll be not bulky. And color is a nice natural brown 1B. Body wave texture. So this is the cap that is being used. I don't ever use these caps because I find them to be kind of small. But this is what the client bought, so this is what we're going to use. And I just have it really stretched out, and remember to not sew on certain areas because that'll take away the mobility of the stretchiness. And yeah, this is the cap that we're going to. So this is the first bundle sewed on. And I just have that part stretched out, so. And now I'm going to get the closure and sew it on. And sew the other 2 bundles on. But this is hand done. And shout out to George Valdez. Your interview is definitely helping me get through this. And if you don't know who George Valdez is, Google.
This is my new water. This is my new water. Black on, alkaline light. This is my new water. This shit, detoxified.
So this is the wig, completely finished. I had to go in and put an elastic band in it because without it, it would not be secure. Now I feel a lot better about it because look how it is. You don't even get that much space to put your head in. But she has short to no hair. And I'm like, and it's got the elastic bands and the adjustable straps that already come in it, but those do not help at all. So I literally had to go in and put the elastic band in it so it would be secure on her head and not be able to move or fly off. And I always try on all wigs before I send them out to a client. These wig caps. I don't know where I put the wig cap at, but the wig cap that I showed y'all in the beginning of the video, do not buy those. They are not big head friendly at all. But yeah, you guys, this is the wig, the T part closure. As you can see, it is laid pretty nicely with the hot comb, yani the hot comb when working with wigs. The inside, it took me about 4 hours, maybe less. 3 bundles, 14, 12, 10 with the 10-inch closure. Body wave, I'm just gonna go in a little bit and kind of put some curls in there and comb it out because she does want the body wave look, but it's kind of giving scruffy like body wave, and I want it to be more uniform. So I'm just gonna curl it and I'm gonna come back and show y'all after it's combed out.